Now YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards. We're on box number 4, Leaf certified, 10 packs, 5 cards per pack. Make sure you sub to me. I have a 500 sub contest, group breaks going on a weekly basis. So good luck to everyone who joined. 10 packs. Pack number 1. Mario Manahan. Number to 500 insert card. Since for the Giants. If you don't take care of business this year, all right, Packers. We have a Jordy Nelson one-color jersey card, number to 250.
Basically stands out as a challenge to USC in your mind. Well,
for the Packers.
They've got the quarterback, but I really like Cal too. You know, they got the speed. They got the speed at running back. I will contend their two of the fastest in America. So I think those 3 programs, Oregon State, and Cal, they've got.
We got base.
And most importantly, that schedule will favor them. We'll break down those 3 programs later on in the show. Right now, though, it's showcasing.
We got base. Looking for something sick to recover from the last boxes. Tons of base. Alright. So far, probably the nicest card has been the Peyton Manning patch that we pulled. We got for the Rams, Donnie Avery, game-worn jersey, football, autograph, number to 250. So, Rams, what up? There you go. It's autoed, yeah. Autograph, jersey, football, autograph, numbered 153. There, on blog, you can't really see it, but it's autograph. So all day you have the Rams. Brody Croyle for the Chiefs, number to 100. All right, 3 packs to go. Let's make this sick. Last box break. I'm going to school for 2 weeks, so I'll be back March 12th. For the Broncos, we have an Eddie Royal, once again, game-worn jersey card, number to 250. Two Eddie Royals, 2 boxes. All right, we got a rookie, Paul Hubbard, number to 1,500 for the Browns. And the final pack. Will be for the Patriots, a game-worn jersey of Randy Moss. It's a white jersey, but there's like red in it. Can't really see on the camera, but there's like pieces of red in it. So that's numbered to 125. That really sucked. We're doing more box breaks in the future. March 12th will be the next one. And then after March 12th, I'll be having group breaks at least 2 breaks a week. So make sure you subscribe. I'm GSNCards. We're out.